Hello, my name is Julie Kenny and I chair the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust, and I'm here to tell you about my favourite place. And my favourite place is the east front of Wentworth Woodhouse. And it's my favourite place because it was the first thing that I ever saw about Wentworth Woodhouse, and that was in the autumn of 2011. I came down the drive, and halfway down the drive I stopped and I looked back at Wentworth Woodhouse, and I was absolutely in awe of the sheer beauty and the size and the decoration and everything about it, that I can still remember today that very first time that I saw Wentworth Woodhouse. My visit that day led me in the next couple of years to get behind trying to save this wonderful place for Rotherham and the nation. We raised the money to buy it. We raised the money from the HM Treasury to undertake the emergency repairs on the roof. But most important at that time was that we would have a place where people in Rotherham could be proud to call their own. A place where lots of people could share the sheer beauty of the staterooms and of this house and its gardens. And you can see behind me, over at the North Tower, we've started to do some of those renovation works. The roof works have been completed. The North Tower, with its beautiful gold-plated weather vane and orb, is completed, and the work is ongoing. We have a huge journey, but this will always be my favourite place.